Now that you've created your course, it's time to add some content to your course. Now, DigitalChalk calls your content elements. So to get started, we'll click the Manage Course Elements subcategory tab. Now, once you're in the course editing view, you'll see a listing of different course element types here on the left-hand side. Now, each of the different element types are simply different delivery vehicles, different ways to deliver content, and you'll choose the appropriate element type based on the kind of content that you're looking to deliver. Chalkboard elements are what we consider to be the heartbeat of a DigitalChalk course. That's where video meets slides, perhaps audio and slides, maybe video by itself, along with checkpoints and chapter points. The test element is just that. It's a test that you can create to contain as many multiple choice and true-false questions as you might need, along with a plethora of different testing options that you can employ to fully test out the knowledge of your student. The file element is like a document repository. Any kind of content that you might need the student to download and keep as a product of taking your course, may be participatory information like a workbook or a syllabus. Those are the kinds of things that you would put in a file element. An assignment element has two functions. There's what we call an online assignment, which is much like an essay, and then there's an offline assignment, which would be some level of instructional detail, something that you would tell the student to do and then report back that they had accomplished it. The web archive element, I liken that to internet free space. Any kind of content that you can pull in from the internet, such as a YouTube video, maybe a survey from a third-party survey tool like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms, maybe even marketing information from your own marketing website. Those are the kinds of things that you can bring into a web archive element, along with the ability to create and upload your own HTML content. AICC elements give you the ability to upload AICC content that you've created from a software authoring tool that gives you that capability. AICC elements and SCORM elements are very similar in the sense that you'll need some type of authoring software like Articulate Storyline or Camtasia or iSpring or Lectora, something that gives you the ability to create that kind of content and then upload that to DigitalChalk to host, deliver, track, and grade that material. PowerPoint Elements gives you the ability to take a native PowerPoint file and upload it directly to DigitalChalk to create a SCORM element. Now, those PowerPoints can contain audio tracks, they can contain videos and hyperlinks, any kind of material that you would embed into your PowerPoint along with slide transitions and so forth. All of those things would be displayed and shown within that PowerPoint element. An instructor-led session element, something that you'll often hear us refer to as ILT, gives you the ability to create and host a live training element within your DigitalChalk courses. Now, the live session is actually delivered through some third-party tool that you might use for webinars, such as GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar, or RingCentral. But you can create those meetings inside of DigitalChalk. It will automatically send and schedule them with your webinar tool that you choose, and then the student can actually access and begin that session from within your course. In the follow-on lessons that come after this element, we're going to teach you how to utilize each of these different element types and how you would properly upload and create course content using these elements. Now, you may or may not choose to use all of the element types, but certainly the function of each of them is there for you if you need it.